Hello and welcome to MR Learning Circle. Today we are going to practice the question of sterilization and disinfection. The detailed video of the concept has been uploaded and you can find the link in the description box as well here above. Okay, so now let's start our session. Question number 1. Name all the common physical agent used for the sterilization process in healthcare facilities such as microbiology laboratories, hospitals, and biotechnology industry. This is an MSQ type of question. So your options are A. Dry heat, B. Radiation, C. Steam heat, D. Filtration. Your correct answer would be all of the above. All means A, B, C, and D. Question number 2. Autoclave method is most common and reliable sterilization process used in the microbiology laboratory. Which of the following are the recommended heat temperature and time period for the moist heat sterilization method used in autoclave? Your options are option A 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, option B 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, option C 126 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes, and option D 160 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. The correct answer is option B 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Question number 3. What is the correct statement for the term bioburden? Your options are A. The number of microorganisms present on the surface. Option B. The bacterial spores present on the surface after the sterilization of the surface. Option C. The process of elimination of microorganisms by using physical agents. Option D. The aseptic process for the maintenance of the sterility of the surface. So your correct answer is option A. The number of microorganisms present on the surface. Question number 4. Which of the following best describes the process of disinfection? Option A. The elimination of all forms of microorganisms and bacterial spores. Option B. The elimination of all forms of bacterial spores. Option C. The reduction or elimination of microorganisms and bacterial spores. And option D. The reduction or elimination of microorganisms and the reduction and elimination of many microorganisms and some bacterial spores. So your correct answer is option D, the reduction or elimination of many microorganisms and some bacterial spores. Question number 5. Name the sterilization agent that is most frequently used in hospitals and clinical laboratories for heat labile, liquid substance, or antibiotics. Your options are A. Dry heat, B. Radiation, C. Filtration, D. Formaldehyde. Your correct answer is option C. Filtration. Question number 6. Which of the following process does not kill bacterial endospores? Your options are A. Hot air sterilization, B. Incineration, C. Pasteurization, and D. Autoclave. The correct answer is C. Pasteurization. Question number 7. Which of the following water purification method is most common and economical method? Option A. Solar disinfection, D. Chlorination, C. Advanced purifiers, and D. Salt. Your correct answer is option A. Solar disinfection, economical method. Next question, question number 8. Which of the following disinfectants act by disrupting microbial membranes? Your options are A. Heavy metals, B. Sterilizing gases, C. Cationic agent detergents, and D. Aldehydes. Your correct answer is option C. Cationic detergents. Question 9. Which of the following sterilizing agent is found to have less or no sporicidal activity? Your options are A. hot air oven, B. ethyl alcohol, C. pasteurization, and D. autoclave. The correct answer is C. pasteurization. Question number 10. Name the spore containing the pathogen which shows resistant to heat and is usually not destroyed by using heat at 100 degrees Celsius. Your options are A. E. coli, B. Candida albicans, C. Vibrio cholera, and D. Clostridium perfringens. Your correct answer is option D. Clostridium perfringens. Question number 11. Joseph Lister first introduced the use of antiseptics in the hospital. What is the name of the chemical he used for the antisepsis process? Your options are A. ethyl alcohol, B. carbolic acid, C. hydrogen peroxide, D. chlorohexidine. So your correct answer is B. carbolic acid. Question number 12. Which of the following is the correct definition for pasteurization process of milk and fermented products? Option A. Sterilization method that uses heat at boiling temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. Option B. Sterilization method that uses heat at 100 to 120 degrees Celsius. Option C. Sterilization method that uses moist heat below 100 degrees Celsius. And option D. The sterilization method that uses moist heat above 100 degrees Celsius. Your correct answer is option C. Sterilization method that uses moist heat below 100 degrees Celsius. Next question. Question 13. Which of the following is the correct definition for the process of, I guess this question is repeated. Next question. Non-ionizing radiation and ionizing radiation are sterilization method mainly used in hospitals. Ultraviolet radiation is one example of non-ionizing radiation. Name the ionizing radiation. Option A. Non-ionizing radiation and ionizing radiation are sterilization methods mainly used in hospitals. Ultraviolet radiation is one example of non-ionizing radiation. Name the ionizing radiation. So your options are A. Infrared, B. X-ray and gamma rays, C. Halogens, D. Ethylene oxide. The correct answer is B. X-rays and gamma rays. Next question. What is the correct meaning of the term known as terminal sterilization process? Your options are A. The initial sterilization of the raw materials for the product, B. Final sterilization of the healthcare product and medical devices, C. The decontamination of the environmental bioburden, D. The aseptic technique used during the manufacturing process of the product. So your correct answer is B. The final sterilization of the healthcare product and the medical devices. Now your PYQs. Which of the following is not an accepted method for sterilization? A. Autoclaving, B. X-rays, C. Gamma rays, D. UV rays. The correct answer is option A. UV rays. Next question. Which of the following radiation method is used in preserving food from spoilage by microorganisms? Your options are A. Radio waves, B. Microwaves, C. Non-ionizing radiation, and D. Ionizing radiation. Your correct answer is option D. Ionizing radiation. Next question. Which of the following statement about control of microbial growth is not correct? A. Non-ionizing radiation leads to thymine dimer formation in DNA. Option B. Spirochetes and mycoplasma can pass through membrane filters. Option C. Use of high concentration of salt and sugar to preserve food is a chemical method of microbial control. Option D. Thermoduric bacteria can survive pasteurization. So your correct answer is option C. Use of high concentration of salt and sugar to preserve food is a chemical method of microbial control. Next question. Phenolics act as disinfectant by A. Rupturing plasma membrane followed by leakage of cellular contents. B. Bond formation between adjacent pyrimidine bases. C. Forming adduct with amino acid and unsaturated fatty acid. And D. Bialkalization of proteins. So your correct answer is A. Rupturing plasma membrane followed by leakage of cellular components. That was all for today. I hope you have learned something. Please watch the detailed video of this lecture also. This is the MCQ, the practice question one, and the concept one has been mentioned in the description box. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.